Lots of snow here today. Getting ready to do some snow blowing. Okay, well, I'm glad it's an electric start. So let's give it a go. Push the button on the side. I already pushed the choke here over to the side. And I pushed these, find that 3 times. Push the button. That's what it's doing. I think the spark plug is fouled. It must be the spark plug. It doesn't even fire once. So, second education guess is the spark plug's in there. Oh, take that out carefully. Lucky I've got a wrench that fits the spark plug. Might think I did that before. Okay, so there's a spark plug in there. That's a spark plug. Barely fit my hand in there. Too hard to turn it. Okay, so what I'm expecting to see. Well, come on, easy. If I had spark plug cleaner, I might try it. Of course I don't. But you know what? I'm gonna get two spark plugs. So I bet this one's no good. Doesn't really look that bad. I hope it's the problem. I'm gonna bring it in. Okay. Life in rural Canada. Sometimes it snows. Got a brand new snowblower that doesn't work. So I'm taking it to Donnie. Probably my fault. I tried it too many times. Not sure how these work. Here. Never done this before, but hopefully this is something that's been planned out ahead of time. It works good. Oh, this is probably not the way to do it. Okay, so I have a fail here. Oh, I can't, there's no way I can do this. Oh, the motor was going, I'd back it up.